In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to use a droplet in Darkroom Booth 3.0. A droplet is basically a small application that is executed within Photoshop, which allows you to execute a series of commands from an action or a list of predetermined commands within Photoshop to edit an image without any user interaction. So first we're going to go out to the internet, we're going to find an action that we want to use, and then we need to modify that action slightly to allow us to be used with Darkroom. So we're going to go into the action, we're going to execute the action first, and then we're going to hit the record button on that action, and then we are going to take 3 steps. We're first going to flatten the image, which is going to bring all the layers of the image together after the modification is made. Then we're going to add the save command. And then finally, we're going to add the close command. Now, no matter which action you use, you will need to add these 3 steps to the end of the action for it to perform properly within Darkroom. Next, we'll be ready to execute and create our droplet. So we're going to go to File. We will click on Automate. And then we're going to create a droplet. And from here, we're going to go in and we'll choose the location that we want to save the droplet in and change the name of it. I've got it saved here to the X drive to a folder called Droplets. And we're going to tell it which action we want to execute within the within Photoshop. I'm going to name the action what I wanted to name it. I'm going to save that over to the X drive to my Droplets folder. And that's going to allow me to use that file in Darkroom once I'm ready. I'm going to check out my print template, and then I'm going to choose the photo. I'm going to right click on that and choose properties, and then I'm going to click droplet and click the edit button and find the action that I want to execute, or the droplet that I want to execute. Click OK, and now that droplet will be executed within the function after the photo session is over. Droplets are a great addition to Darkroom Booth, and they have so many opportunities for editing and using filters. So you can see here just an example of using some quick filters and some actions within Darkroom that allow you to do some pretty amazing things for your clients. One key thing to note whenever you're finding actions out online is that you want to make sure that your actions don't require you to have any user interface, like choosing a client's eyes or mouth and painting across the face, because you won't be able to do that. So you'll need to find some automated actions that work for you. Luckily, there are numerous options out there. They're relatively inexpensive, and you can find a lot of them for free. You also have the opportunity to set up your screen template to basically put in different filters or different Photoshop droplet actions onto the main screen. When the clients or the guests walk into the booth, they can choose which filter they would like to use. Thanks, and enjoy using droplets in Darkroom Booth 3.0. Thanks.